Here we are going to replace a broken fender liner. Fender liners are held by plastic clips, plastic fasteners, and screws. Underneath, there is a plastic clip. Grab a flathead screwdriver to pry off the middle part of the plastic clip. Just be gentle with it. Be careful not to break it. Here I remove the plastic nut. Which is same with this one. Keep it aside. Next, grab a 10mm and remove this bolt. Next thing to remove is the plastic clip underneath, which I showed you earlier. Remove these 3 Phillips screws. Now try to separate the fender liner from the fender assembly. Here I noticed that this section are also held by a plastic bolt holder. Remove and keep it aside. Then you can take the fender liner away. Here's the damage and also in this area. Before you install the new fender liner, it is always a good idea to clean every area, especially where the dirt and debris are stagnant. This helps prevent moisture and rust buildup. Here's the new fender liner. This is for the left side. You can take note of the parts code for your reference. Here are some of the markings of an authentic fender liner. Install the new fender liner. Put everything back together. Make sure everything is secured. I will be doing the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.